everyone, hello, welcome to my channel. If today is the first time watching me, this is Sister J from Sister J Jamaican and Caribbean Cuisine. Big up to my son Marketing. Today he's celebrating his birthday. Marco, I'm not gonna tell them how old are you, okay? But today is my son's birthday. Big up Marco, big up. Yes, today I'll be making some pineapple mango ice cream. Yes, pineapple mango ice cream. So I have my pineapple right here. So I have to peel it. Yeah, and cut it up. You know what I say? Talk some Jamaican patois. And this is the mango. Yeah, it might come from Jamaica, but all me can get. I use what me can get. So it's mango, fresh mango. It's not from Jamaica, but yeah, I use what I can get right now. So I'm gonna make pineapple mango ice cream. So right now, I'm gonna wash my pineapple, and then I'm gonna peel my pineapple, and then I'll be cutting up my pineapple, peel my mango, and cut up my mango. Okay? I know I'm not using the skin, but I still have to rinse it off before I cut it. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, so there's the mango and the pineapple. All right, take this out of the way. It's over there, so. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend the mango and the pineapple together. Just mix it in like anything we just throw in. So I saw the thing set. I pour some water in it. Yep. Blend it in. I'm gonna pour the mixture in. Look at that, guys. It's creamy and nice, just like a smoothie, you know? Okay. So, the next thing I'll be doing, I'll be adding some heavy whipping cream. Yes, I'm shaking it up. Heavy whipping cream, as I said. I'm from Jamaica. We don't do measurement, we just pour. So that's some heavy whipping cream. And then I'm gonna add some condensed milk. Condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. I'm gonna pour the condensed milk in. Yes, I had 1 can. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. And I don't add sugar to my ice cream because the milk's already sweet. So, and you know, the mango and the pineapple sweet too. Yeah. The next thing I'll be adding is some vanilla. So, pour some vanilla in. And the next thing, some nutmeg. Put the nutmeg in. Say again, we don't do measurement, we just pour. All right. So just stir everything together. And then I'm gonna whip. Okay, guys, look at it. Before I start to whip, look at it. Look, see? That's how it look like, guys. Just mix everything together. See, like, look. That's it. That's the texture of it. So I'm gonna whip it now. Okay, guys, I whip it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Now, I'm gonna pour it into a container. You pour it into a jar or a dish or a bowl, whatever it is. But what you have to do when you pour it in, you have to seal it tight. And then you put it in the freezer. Yes, I put it straight to the freezer. And this should be ready in 3.5 to 4 hours. Okay, 3.5 to 4 hours, guys. So I'll see you in 3.5 to 4 hours, and I'll be eating my mango pineapple ice cream. Yeah. Okay, guys. My ice cream was in the freezer for 5 hours. I said 3.5 to 4 hours, but it was there for 5 hours. So I'm gonna open the container now. My pineapple mango ice cream. Guys, look at it. This is my pineapple mango ice cream. Yes, pineapple mango ice cream. That's how easy it is to make pineapple mango ice cream. Wow. This is good. Guys, you gotta try this. It's pineapple mango ice cream. Watch the video and take the steps that I take, and it will turn out very good. In 5 hours, you will have ice cream without an ice cream maker. It is good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.